friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious fried wonton noodle recipe. Hope you like it. I will fried mala flavor for this fried noodle. If you don't like spicy food, you can leave out the chili oil. I used dried wonton noodles, but you can also buy fresh wonton noodles. I think this brand of wonton noodles is pretty good, and most importantly, it is very convenient and can be cooked anytime. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Wonton noodle. Chopped garlic. Ginger. Mushrooms. Cook the wonton noodles. Do not cook them for too long as they will be stir-fried later. Cook for approximately 2 minutes. Drain wonton noodle and soak in cold water for 30 seconds, then set aside. Diced chilies. Chopped ginger. Chopped leek, onion green and onion white placed separately. Shredded mushrooms. Stir-fry onion white, chopped ginger and chilies. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon mala chili oil. Stir fry until fragrant. Add shredded mushrooms. Add wonton noodle and stir fry. Seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster shave, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add onion green and stir fry. fried wonton noodle is done, let's eat. Fried wonton mee is delicious. Give it a try too. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Wanton noodles, or wonton noodles, also known as flat noodles in Fujian and Taiwan, originated in Guangzhou and is a representative noodle dish in Hong Kong. Wonton noodles are made from cooked wontons and egg noodles. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.